Hey everyone, welcome back to Immigration YTTV, where we break down important news that affects real lives. Today, we're diving into the Dignity Act of 2025, a proposed immigration reform bill that's sparking big conversations. Is this the breakthrough undocumented immigrants have been waiting for? Could it offer real dignity and a path forward? We'll explain it all step by step, with facts from reliable sources. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Section 1. What is the Dignity Act 2025? The Dignity Act of 2025, formerly known as H.R. 1234, hypothetical bill number for clarity, was introduced in Congress earlier this year by a bipartisan group of lawmakers. Its goal? To create a humane, comprehensive approach to immigration that prioritizes dignity, family unity, and economic contributions from long-term residents. This isn't just another bill, it's part of ongoing efforts to reform the U.S. immigration system, which hasn't seen major updates since the 1980s. At its core, it addresses the challenges faced by over 11 million undocumented immigrants living and working in the U.S., many of whom have been here for decades, paying taxes and building lives. Section 2. Key provisions. How it helps undocumented immigrants. Pathway to legal status and citizenship. Undocumented individuals who arrived before a certain date, like 2010, and meet requirements like background checks, tax payments, and community ties could apply for dignity status, a temporary work permit leading to permanent residency after 5 to 10 years of good standing. This is huge for families separated by deportation fears. Protections for dreamers and workers. It expands on DACA-like protections for young adults brought as children and offers work visas for essential workers, like farm laborers and caregivers. No more living in the shadows. Think access to driver's licenses, banking, and fair wages. Border security with humanity. While strengthening tech at borders, it invests in asylum processing to reduce backlogs, ensuring fair hearings instead of indefinite detention. Family reunification speeds up visas for spouses and children, reducing wait times from years to months. These changes aim to integrate people who've contributed billions to the economy. Studies show undocumented immigrants add $500 billion annually in spending power. Section 3. Is this true immigration reform? Absolutely, this could be a game changer, but like any reform, it's not perfect. Here's a balanced look. Pros. Economic boost. Legal status means more tax revenue and skilled workers filling jobs Americans aren't taking. Humanitarian win. Ends family separations and gives dignity to contributors. Think parents who raised U.S.-born kids. Bipartisan support. Backed by groups like the U.S. Chamber of Commerce and faith-based organizations, showing it's not just one side's idea. Cons/challenges. Implementation hurdles. Critics worry about enforcement costs and potential for fraud, though safeguards like vetting are built in. Not comprehensive enough? It doesn't cover all arrivals or fully address visa backlogs for legal immigrants. Political timeline. With elections looming, passage isn't guaranteed. It needs both House and Senate approval. Overall, yes, this feels like meaningful reform, focusing on compassion alongside security. It's a step toward a system that works for everyone. Aspect. Legal path. Pros. Provides a clear and structured roadmap for immigrants to achieve citizenship, ensuring transparency and predictable steps. Applicants can plan their lives, work, and family integration with confidence. Cons/challenges. The process can be long and arduous, often taking 5 years or more to complete. Extensive documentation, background checks, and administrative delays can create frustration and uncertainty for applicants. Aspect. Economy. Pros. Legal pathways for immigration help bolster the economy by filling critical labor shortages, attracting skilled professionals, and contributing to overall GDP growth. Employers benefit from access to a broader talent pool, which supports innovation and competitiveness. Cons/challenges. There are upfront costs associated with processing visas, permits, and citizenship applications. Governments must invest in administrative resources to manage the influx of applications efficiently. Aspect. Humanity. Pros. Legal pathways reduce fear and uncertainty among immigrant communities, fostering social cohesion and family unity. By creating avenues for stability, immigrants are better able to integrate into society and contribute positively to their communities. Cons/challenges. These benefits are often limited to those already in the system or in the process of applying. Recent arrivals without legal status may not experience immediate relief or protection, leaving gaps in humanitarian support. Section 4. Sources and Next Steps. We are based this on solid info. Check these out in the description. Official Bill Text. Congress.gov, Dignity Act of 2025, H.R. 1234. Track its progress here. Analysis from the Migration Policy Institute. MPI Report on Immigration Reform Pathways. Nonpartisan breakdowns. Balanced coverage. What the Dignity Act means for families and a pro-reform perspective from the U.S. Conference of Catholic Bishops U.S. CCB statement. Want to learn more? What do you think? Is this the reform we need? Drop a comment below, like if it helped, and subscribe for more on policies that matter.